Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today, I'm going to discuss about a mixture problem. So, okay, we got here a problem. A gardener has 5 liters of a fertilizer solution that is 15% fertilizer. She wants to increase the concentration to 25% by adding a more concentrated solution that is 40% fertilizer. How many liters of the 40% solution should she add to reach her goal? Okay. Let X the amount in liters of the 40% solution to add. Okay, here to add. The gardener starts with 5 liters of a 15% fertilizer. Here 15% fertilizer solution. So the amount of fertilizer solution is 0.15 times 5 liters equals 0.75 liters of fertilizers. Sorry. Total. So the gardener adds X liters of a 40% fertilizer solution. So the amount of fertilizers in this added solution is 0.4 X liters of fertilizers. Then the final mixtures here 4X. Then the final mixtures will have 5 plus X liters of solution, and she wants this to be a 25% fertilizer solution in the problem. So the total amount of fertilizer should be is 0.25 over 5 plus X here. Solution 0.75 plus 0.4x equals 0.25 over 5 plus x. Start with this equation. Let's put all are in the table. 0.75 plus 0.4 over equals 1.25 plus 0.25x. Distribute 0.25 on the right side. Here 0.x minus 0.25x equals 1.25 0.75. Move all terms involving x to 1 and constant to the others. So this is the result. Solve for x by dividing both sides by 0.15. So 0.15 equals 0.5. So let's divide by 50, 0.15. So the answer is 3.33 liters. So the gardeners should add approximately 3.33 liters of the 40% fertilizer solution to achieve a final mixture that is 25% fertilizer. So the answer is 3.33 liters, the final mixture. And that's all. Thank you.